Back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on the channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Today I want to talk about Healthier Choices Management, ticker symbol HCMC, currently sitting at 0.0017 cents. It is actually not changed at all today. And I want to make this video quickly to update you guys regarding HCMC. I know it's been a pretty popular video on the channel, and a lot of people in the comments are continuing to ask for these videos, so I will keep them coming as long as you guys want. So let's just get into it, you guys. Healthier Choices Management Corp. Volume is absolutely insane. 1.272.719.850. Look at this, guys. Look at that number. The trades of HCMC are absolutely insane. But if you guys are here, obviously you probably are familiar with Healthier Choices Management Corp, but I will briefly go over it. The company, U.S. publicly traded company specializing in providing customers with healthier alternatives to everyday lifestyle choices. HCMC owns an intellectual property suite comprised of patents issued in both the United States and Canada, and these patents have a primary focus on safer vaping technology, as well as synthetic or imitation nicotine compositions, processes, and methods of manufacture. HCMC continues to innovate and expand this suite in the future. Most recently, the company formed a subsidiary, HCMC Intellectual Properties, to hold on and market its intellectual property assets. Also, HCMC owns subsidiaries Healthy Choice Markets and Healthy Choice Markets 2. HCMC owns both Ada's Natural Market in South Florida, as well as 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition locations in Florida as well. So obviously, HCMC has some ways to make money and create revenue, being the markets that they have, the grocery stores that they have. But obviously, we are all here, and a lot of you, not we are all here, but a lot of people got interested in HCMC due to the lawsuit with Philip Morris. Okay, so lawsuit with Philip Morris obviously is a patent infringement lawsuit that HCMC did file in regards to Philip Morris, and it is because of a vaping technology patent that HCMC has, and they're saying that Philip Morris infringed on that. So essentially, the HCMC's lawsuit includes claims that Philip Morris is infringing HCMC's patent rights in connection to IQOS, which is an alternative tobacco product marketed and sold by Philip Morris. Philip Morris claims that it is currently approaching 14 million users of its IQOS product and has reportedly invested over $3 billion into their smokeless tobacco products. Philip Morris has been very open about the ongoing transition from traditionally combustible cigarettes into their modified risk tobacco products, including the IQOS. So, if you're here, you are well aware that HCMC is filing this lawsuit against Philip Morris, which is one of the biggest tobacco companies in the world. And I've been continuing to update you guys on this, and there is an update on this as Tuesday, which is today. There was a joint motion, as you can see here, related to this case and the lawsuit. Joint motion for extension of time to file response and reply to defendant's motion to dismiss under by Healthier Choices Management Corp. So essentially, what I think this means is obviously a joint motion by HCMC and Philip Morris, defendants and Platons. They're both asking for an extension, which is obviously, in my opinion, this means that maybe possibly, don't want to say for sure because I'm not a law expert, but this probably looking like a settlement is something that might very well happen. So the plaintiff currently had a deadline of March 11th, and the defendants had a deadline of March 25th. And now it just kind of looks like both of these sides, HCMC and Philip Morris, are asking the court for an extension. So I really just think that this is a good sign, meaning most likely, in my opinion, Philip Morris is probably trying to settle outside of court. Now, we won't know this for sure as the extension, was asked, and it's going to be very interesting to see what happens. Okay, I've always said HCMC is a long-term hold stock, and initially a lot of people did make a lot of money on HCMC at this pop-off, that happened. If we take a look at the 3-month chart around here, when this stock popped up to 0.0065, a lot of people did make significant money, and then a lot of people sold off, and it's starting to level out to 0.0017. But a lot of value of the stock is riding on this lawsuit. Now, if they do decide to settle, I think can be great things for Healthier Choices Management. Or if they were to go to a court or actual trial, would take months to years to complete that trial, will take a very long time, and we could probably see HCMC staying around the same price for that time being. But I really do think it's interesting, you guys, that the joint motion for joint extension of time to file response was filed, as it will be very interesting to see what happens. But this kind of is a sign, again, came out today, that maybe Philip Morris is trying to settle with HCMC. So again, I'm not a lawyer, but that is what I get from this document here. And I'm probably sure that, again, people were thinking that the motion to dismiss that did happen earlier here on Thursday, February 25th, that, people were thinking then on that day, February 26th, that HCMC was going to skyrocket to $1, which was definitely not the case. And this is a stock, obviously, it's been a long-term hold and a long-term play, which I've always said. So it remains to be seen what exactly will happen from this motion to extend some time, but I do see this as something positive for HCMC investors. So I just wanted to quickly update you guys on this. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about HCMC. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and have a good day.